Hey guys, Ralph here, and welcome to True Power Trumpet Fitness here on terrific Tuesday here in Connecticut. It is brutally hot, but that's all right. We got double C's. I already got 50 in on the bike. I have practiced. I should be ready to go. I should be ready for a nap, but juice, baby. Anyway, you saw the thumbnail. SFE Revisited. After a big workout, you got to talk about strength, flexibility, and endurance. Okay? I haven't been completely telling you the truth all these years. Let me explain. Let's see what we got, and we'll take it from there. Hellacious double C's after 2 hours practice, a 50-mile bike ride, and a shower that didn't seem to work. I'm still sweating. And some tartini. SFE. Guys, I know a lot of you have it. A lot of you are putting it to use. A lot of you don't have it and are not putting it to use. And a lot of you are new subscribers and don't know what I'm talking about. SFE, it stands for Strength, Flexibility, and Endurance for the trumpet. Now, I told you I haven't been completely truthful with you. Now, how many times have I told you I haven't played a note? I haven't warmed up. How many times have I done that? Okay, but by the time I get to this video, and this is rarely the first thing I do every day. I work out, ride the bike, do some PNF, throw some baseballs, whatever the case may be, before you guys are even awake. That's at least at 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay? If not earlier. I put my reflector on, I go on the bike, whatever. While I'm on the bike, while I'm throwing baseballs, I'm spit buzzing incessantly. If I do a 3-hour bike ride, I've done about 20 minutes to a half an hour spit buzzing. Okay? Everybody thinks I'm crazy? I don't care. I got great chops. Also, whether I'm on my bike or whether I'm throwing baseballs, I have done a lot, at least one, of the SFE full routines. So my body's ready to go with the SFE. My chops are ready to go with the spit buzzing. Guys, it's hardly like I'm coming in cold. You know what I'm saying? Now, yes, those are literally the first notes of the day on the trumpet. So it's not like I was lying to you. Those are, when I say I haven't played a note yet today, on the trumpet, I haven't. But guys, both of those things are available to all of you. Now, once again, SFE, based on the concept of proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation. Okay? It's all explained in the book for $10, and that is on my website. Okay? So so you can get it today. If you want to email me the $10 and PayPal the $10, I can attach it to a email as well. Now, what it does, through use of proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, that will not be on the final, notes taken off for spelling, it incorporates a concept called hyperirradiation, which incorporates more muscles, all the muscles of the body, to get a certain job done. Now, I compare this many times. There's lots of different scenarios. But doing a pull-up, chin up on a chin-up bar. Try it with your entire body completely relaxed, and just do it with your arms. Nobody, Tony Horton, nobody is that strong to do that. Nobody's arms are that strong, okay? But all of a sudden, you tighten up your abs, you tighten up your glutes, you tighten up your pecs, you tighten up all that. All of a sudden, boom, 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 you're like a piston, you're knocking them off. You've incorporated more muscles to do the same thing. Now, I have not done PNF in about an hour, okay? Let me show you how it works, and let me show you how a typical day's practice session would go. Now, as I said before, on this very, very crude laptop, hundreds, maybe thousands of miles away, you may not be able to pick up the subtle spike in tone, power, range, and endurance, okay? But let me show you how it works. Now, let's just start with an Arbin characteristic study. Everybody knows number one. Okay? Now, fine. Everything works. Let me fix this. Okay? Then we'll add 10 seconds of SFE. This is one I've done before. Okay? I'm going to play the same thing. See if you can pick up the subtle spike. Guys, if you were sitting here in the room with me, that spike wouldn't be so subtle. That spike was enormous. And you do that every 5, 10, 8 minutes, 5, 8, 10 minutes. Every one of those, it can be that one exercise every time. I go through every single exercise in the book, okay? Over the course of an hour, there is 35 of them. I will go 35 exercises. I go from the beginning to the end of the book over for an hour. If I do 2 hours, I go back to the beginning of the book and do it. Guys, you incorporate spit buzzing on there, and you are jacked. You are jet propulsion. Your tone, power, range, and endurance is better. Now, here's the deal. The thing about proprioceptive neuromuscular facilitation, 20 minutes from now, it's not going to work. It's not there for forever. That's why it's so important for trumpet players and also my athletes to make sure you do these every single day and throughout the day as well. Guys, if you dedicate yourself to forget the Arbin. I mean, it doesn't matter what music you're playing. You add that, incorporate that, plus significant spit buzzing, guys, you will see a huge spike. Not only immediately, like you just heard, but a month from now, 6 months from now, guys, you're not going to believe the difference. Now, I had a comeback player that I've been doing, giving lessons to for about a month, okay? And he was having a heck of a time getting it going. He just couldn't quite get it. And almost out of desperation, I sent him for free because he's paying me, the big bucks. Sent him a copy of the SFE, okay? Did you do anything? No, I haven't had a chance to do it. Okay, so we did that, over a half an hour lesson. We did that exercise twice. I added a couple more, so I think we did 4, possibly 5. Guys, you couldn't believe the difference in his tone and power. You could not believe it. And he was actually touching high C's for the first time since he came back. Guys, it is that profound, and it's something you want to do. That and eat and drink your fruits and vegetables, guys, and you got it. Love you all. Have a great day.